When we launched our book, we had no idea how popular it was and is. This is as a result of engineers coming here and asking for something like this because it doesn't exist. So I got in touch with the 16 top manufacturers and downloaded their codes, and we've printed a book. Now we've turned that into an app. So with our son Leon, we've created this fabulous app which is a mirror of the book, but it's got extra features. So if we go along here, so we've turned up at a Valent boiler. We've got all of them still in the same row in that respect. And so if we go down to our Valent boiler, for instance, so we can press on Valent and we've got all the codes. So I'll do some close-ups so you can see. But if you twist it over, you can see much more details. It goes across the whole screen, and it's also available in dark mode where you can go to your camera settings, or your phone settings rather, and change to dark mode if you wish. All of them is here. So I'm always asking for engineers and the factories. So if you work at any of these and got some new codes, or even installers or breakdown engineers, and you see that there's a code missing, get in touch with us, info@mrcombi.com, and then we'll put it into the next update. One more thing we've done here is on the green bar, if you press the first icon, there's a phone number. So you can phone either directly to technical support or to reception, who you pass it on. But now it's a very simple method of communicating. So we can do that. If you wish, you can email them directly from here and have a black and white picture and message come back to you with the details of it, so we can delete that. Or if we press the icon button at the end, you've got, for example, main, you've got their address, various phone numbers, etc. on it that you can utilize as well. Now obviously some phone numbers and email addresses may change because people do, so that's beyond our control, but all are tested at the moment. Every single one is perfect, but we're always looking for updates. So now there's no excuse. If you're an installer, breakdown engineer, whatever reason, you come to an appliance and it's got a code or flashing lights of the top 16 manufacturers, this app is going to help you a great deal. So save wasting time, it's always with you. But the book is also available for usage, or maybe for the office, as well as a reference guide. So thanks for watching, and if you have any hints and tips for us, then we'll be happy to enclose them. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and leave some comments on there. They're always useful. I reply to every single one. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next project.